In a world where energy efficiency and sustainability are constantly evolving, industrial operations need next-generation energy trends. Schneider Electric presents Altivar Variable Speed Drives, designed to enhance productivity and reduce energy consumption. Altivar machine drives range from compact version for simple machines to IP66 versions, offering advanced automation solutions that increase machine performance and reduce engineering time for the OEMs. Altivar building drives are compact and connected devices designed specifically for HVAC and pumping applications. Altivar process drives are IIoT ready to use, with easy integration for your specific needs. Process Modular, with easily exchangeable modules and installation flexibility, range from standard, low harmonics, or regenerative, dedicated for high-performance process applications, and liquid-cooled, specifically for harsh environment. Low-voltage drive systems in compact design can be fully customized to fit your requirements. Medium-voltage services-oriented drive offers multi-pulse transformer for high-power applications. Altivar Drives features built-in intelligence and high-performance process control with seamless integration in EcoStruxure, optimizing asset performance and reliability. Schneider Electric, your digital partner for energy efficiency and sustainability.